What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. Sometimes you need a little tool. That's why I picked up this tiny micro screwdriver set here. Whether you work on watches or electronics, these things can come in really, really handy. And I really love the fact that they come in these little compact cases here. Transparent top, and then on the bottom, and then we have the 63 different types of attachments, from flathead and pentalobe, tri-point, hex, torx security, even with a little nip in the middle. That's pretty awesome. And then kind of your standard ones. But you can see here we've got a little latch to release it, and then when we open this bad boy up, we have the adapter here. Looks like it's larger to smaller. And then we have all of your little bits, including little adapters here. We also have a little, looks like a guitar pick, but this is for kind of prying away things. And we have a little polymer pry bar right there. And then, oops, as you could see there, it just popped up, and that's because it folds down like this, and then you hit this button here, and all of these pop up, and they are individually numbered so that you can see everything really easily, find everything. I love this kind of almost like dark bronze look to it. If we get in on there, you can see everything has a place and everything is in its place. So you have all of those little bits, star bits, torch security, and everything about this is really, really small. That's the nice thing. So it's great for tiny work. And then we have an extender, which I think is also flexible, so you can kind of get around things. You can see how that rotates within, so you can hold it in place. You can have one of the bits installed here, so I would assume this goes, there should be in, I guess maybe there isn't even an open slot. It's kind of like an extra one right in there. Phillips head. And then you also have your kind of your standard screwdriver right here, and little O-rings for gripping. You've got a swivel piece on the back, so you can put pressure here and twist it without moving that back. And then you can see you can put the tip right in these things, or use the adapters for the larger ones, just like that. Pretty cool, pretty nice little set, and for about 14 bucks, these things can come in really, really handy, whether you're working on electronics, watches, or the like. I would definitely have one of these around. I will put a link to this little bad boy set in the description below. Peter from Panda out.